Alright, this is the recap for Tuesday, March 3rd. Overnight, we did dump like 600 points, so I said I most likely wasn't going to take anything. I'll give you what I thought were the best trades of the day today. So, overnight, we did come into, this was during London session, we did take out this, you could say, high resistance low. It's not anything major just because it wasn't sitting inside of a fair value gap or anything to the left over here, but we did end up inversing this 15-minute to the downside. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, we had also pulled into this 1 hour. I was expecting this big BPR to get filled, but you can see here immediately off of open. Oh, and also we had these equal lows from London session, really strong draw on liquidity, and yeah, just keep that in mind. And their exact swing lows as well. So immediately off of market open, we get this manipulative move up into this hourly gap, taking out this hourly intermediate high here, as well as on the 15-minute time frame. And we got this 1 minute, and there was also a 2-minute, but I honestly thought this was a good trade, even though this 2-minute didn't close here. We had a really strong bearish close to the downside. You can see on the 2-minute time frame, we ended up wicking that out, but still a really good trade. Equal lows below. No reason to really go break even on this trade anyways, but sometimes you'll get this move. It doesn't have to happen, but when you do get this manipulation of this high here, just a resweep, sometimes that will happen, possibly just to fill more orders. And I don't believe we put in a SMT at this high. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so I guess there was a SMT at this hourly high and 15-minute. So another reason to confirm that we are going to go lower. We did have a right here, it was just a 1 minute to the downside, inversing these two gaps, and your target would be equal lows. You could target a lot lower if you wanted to, just because we are in a very bearish trend. And if you look at the higher time frame, we do have these high resistance lows that most likely are going to get taken out tonight. And yeah, that's today's recap. This most likely I didn't take it, but would have been a break-even trade. But if you were just aiming for a 1-to-1, you would have almost perfectly got your 1-to-1. So those were the best trades of the day. Didn't love them just because what we did overnight. When we do dump almost 2.5%, most likely it's just going to be chopped the rest of the day. But we do end up kind of moving during the 11/12 lunch hour session. And yeah, that's the recap.